Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Friday. It's January the 13th, 2012. We're going to be looking at United Continental Holdings. Ticker symbol is UAL. Let me got the tools. There it is right there. It's your ticker symbol. What you've had is a downtrend going on, and this has been in this effect for a while and will not change until you take out a previous high. That basically means price activity must go higher than a previous high point, which you did there. You also did it there. But just because you break out to a new high doesn't necessarily mean you want to be a buyer. You want to wait until you get another pullback, and this would create an opportunity, where you've got a possible reversal. You get a series of higher lows, and you also have the higher highs. So now you have a possible uptrend in effect here. That's basically what your chart is showing you. So you want to look for your buy opportunities on those pullbacks. Most recent pullback is your buying opportunity. So we want to be a buyer at 1843 or lower with a stop set off at this low. Let me clean that chart up so we can see what that. Let's see what that is. Move that out of the way. That low is 1725, so the stop is going to be 1724, 1 cent below this low. So that's what this line indicates. Again, entry opportunity 1843 or lower, and the target will be at 2145, a test of that high. Why would you test that high? Well, because an uptrend will actually have higher highs and higher lows. So if you get the higher lows, you expect a test at least of the previous high. So that's why you get a target at 2145. But again, it's just a target, so you should advance your stop along the way. If you start getting up in this area here, take your stop that was way down here and advance it along the way so you can protect yourself, okay? Looking at this low point here and this one here, you see this uptrend. It's always a good idea to double check that against some oscillator. We're using the ultimate oscillator here. You can note the low point here and then a higher series of low points along the way. That's confirming that uptrend. It's not telling you anything different than what you're seeing right here, and we'd like to see that confirmation. Okay, so now you know what I'm looking at for Tuesday. Remember, U.S. markets are closed on Monday for the holiday, so this actually is a recommendation so that you would watch on Tuesday. Okay, we also have the website now online, PerfectStockAlert.com. You can check it out for all of our market analysis that we do throughout the week, as well as our different stock picks that we do, and our tutorial videos and so forth and so on. All that trading tutorials, all that free stuff is on our free website at PerfectStockAlert.com. It's just gone online, so it may be a few days. I think it's set up to 48 hours before it probably gets across the entire world. But I've already checked it on some, and you can use it in some places, and other places are still not showing it just yet. So by the end of the weekend, basically, the site will be 100% up and running for everybody. Okay, so now you know. Don't forget to watch the market analysis that comes out tonight, because that will cover all the different major markets, all 16 major markets that we cover. You want to know that information because you got the week coming up that you want to know everything that I know going into that. So that's a good time to be watching the market analysis videos. Okay? If you agree with today's video tutorial, please be sure to give us a thumbs up on this video, and we will see you all in the next video. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.